Chat GPT 4 is an advanced version of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, series, developed by OpenAI. It represents a significant leap from its predecessor, GPT 3.5, in terms of technology, capacity, and capabilities. GPT-4 is a large multimodal language model, which means it can understand and generate not just text but also process inputs from other modes, such as images, though typically, it's mostly known and used for its text processing capabilities. This model has been trained on a vast amount of text data from the internet up to its knowledge cutoff in 2022, enabling it to generate responses across a broad array of subjects and in various styles. Key features and improvements in GPT-4 over GPT 3.5 include increased model size. GPT-4 is larger in terms of the number of parameters, which typically correlates with a model's ability to understand and generate more complex text. Enhanced understanding. The model shows better understanding and contextual handling of nuances in language. Better performance on benchmarks. It performs more robustly on various AI benchmarks, indicating improved reasoning and problem-solving abilities. Reductions in biases and errors. Efforts were made to reduce harmful biases and the generation of incorrect information, making it safer and more reliable to use. Multimodal capabilities. Unlike its predecessors, GPT-4 can handle both text and image inputs, offering more versatile applications, although in practice, its use cases are primarily focused on text. GPT-4 is employed in various applications, from assisting developers in coding to helping writers brainstorm ideas, alongside its use in educational tools, customer service bots, and more. Its advancements aim to provide more accurate, context-aware, and useful outputs to users.